Want to combine your favorite photos into one frame? Like your favorite pet, a travel story, or just a bunch of good memories? Let me show you how to make a beautiful photo collage right from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with full customization option. First, open Gallery app. Tap and hold one photo. Then select more photos. Once selected, tap create at the bottom. And then select collage. As you can see, you will be taken to the collage screen. Here you can customize your collage however you like, such as choose the layout. You can go with a freeform layout or use one of the preloaded template. Tap background to either blur one of the images as the background or use solid color as the background. Tap border to adjust the border and change the roundness of photo corners and the space between photo. Tap ratio icon to change the ratio to fit where you will post it, like square for Instagram. And you can also switch between portrait or landscape orientation. Once everything looks perfect, tap save to save the result to the collage album in your gallery. Given to the function, you can use this feature to easily turn simple photos into something creative with no extra apps needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.